So hi all, my name is Shubham Kumar and this is a continuation of Microsoft Azure training part 20. So in previous video what we did, we have created a snapshot and from the snapshot we have restored it. Okay, when we restored, what we did, we swapped the operating system hard drive. Okay, for this you can check my previous video part 19. Okay, so in this video what we will do, we will not swap the operating system hard drive, we will create a new virtual machine with that. Okay, with that operating system snapshot disk. Okay, so now come on to here on my portal, come to my portal. Okay, so over my portal you can see that in previous video we have created this AVC HT01. Okay, this hard drive we have created, and this one is my data disk. So if I open it, it will show me that you can create the snapshot of this one, but you have not the option not enabled for creating the VM. Okay, because this is one is my data disk, no operating system is installed into this disk. Okay, if I come with this one, because right now no virtual machine is pointing to this one, so what I did, I am creating a virtual machine from this one. Okay, or I can do the similar thing by creating a snapshot which we have created in previous video, this one, and from this snapshot I am creating a disk, and from that disk I can create a virtual machine. Okay, so I'm not going with the long route, you can check that in my previous video. Okay, so what I did, I am taking, so sorry, just a minute, I'm going to the disk section and over the ABC HD creating a virtual machine. Okay, and over here I'm just passing the virtual machine name, suppose test VM01. test VM is already there. Okay, you can see over here that it is showing me that AVC hard drive generation 1 image. Okay, so now it is not creating my virtual machine using the Windows 2019 image, it is creating this one from my this hard drive. Okay, and the next option are so similar as we have already created. Okay, Windows Server or Windows Client, you can choose the anyone. Okay, so just review and create. All rest of the options are similar, you can check my previous videos from where we have created the virtual machine. Okay, so as soon as I click onto the create section, it will create a virtual machine. Okay, and this virtual machine will have all the application installed, all the thing which was there onto that particular hard drive. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, so just a minute, over the notification it will show me that deployment is in progress, you can see it over here also. So after deployment, what it will do, it will create a full virtual machine, it will basically reserve some hardware for you so that it can run your virtual machine over there. Okay, onto the Azure data center, or you can say Azure workspace. So these are the two options which was very efficient, or you can use it. You can do or swapping using the PowerShell script also. Okay, and there are some more options are also available, you can choose them also. Okay, so over here you can see the test VM is created, what is in deployment is still not completed, is in progress 1. So it will take nearly 2 to 3 minutes. Until then, what we will do, we will check our rest of the options which are available onto the snapshot section. Okay, so let's come on to this one and just check the options. So first of all, in overview you can see the basic overview of what is the size, disk name, encryption, snapshot type, is it full or you can say the incremental. Okay, on which date it is created, what is my subscription ID, location or previous state, provisioning state, what is the provisioning state, is it succeed or not. Okay, activity log, you can see basically these are the events log. Okay, and IAM basically providing the access of this particular snapshot section. Okay, you can choose it or pass it to the any user my access, or you can choose it from directly to a user or a group and pass the access to that particular user only. Okay, you can either check the tags or you can add the tags from here. Encryption, you can see that default I have choose the platform 1. You can choose the platform as well as the customer managed keys also. Networking, public or using the private endpoint, you can say through disk access also. Okay, snapshot export option is basically used whenever you are using this snapshot to the different region. Okay, so in that case what you will do, you will generate a URL and you have to download the image of this disk, and this image you will upload to the another one. Okay, so if I click over to the generate URL, it will provide me a complete long URL, and from that long URL I can download the disk image. Yeah, you can, this is the URL. If I copy it and download it, it will download the VSD file, and from this file I can upload it onto my another region, and I can create a same virtual machine. Okay, so I'm just cancel it. Properties are basically about this one. Okay, locking, you can add the lock so that no one can directly delete it. Okay, so you can see the virtual machine is created. So now come to the virtual machine section. You can see test VM01 is created. So I'm taking the remote of this, and what is the public IP? This is the public IP of my virtual machine. What is the name? Test VM01. What is the password? Please type it. Okay, I think I entered the wrong password. Okay, I forget the password what I have entered. So in this case you can reset your password. Okay, if you forget your password, you can directly come to the reset section. Yeah, over here you can reset the password. Okay, just type the password 01. First of all, username, provide the password, update it. Okay, so it will take some time to deploy your password. Okay, resetting password, it will take some time. After that it will new password will applicable to open it. Okay, so if I check the new password right now, test VM, yeah, it's come now. So you can see the new virtual machine is up using the image, okay, which we have created using the snapshot. So this is the scope of this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like it and don't go without subscribe my video. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Just a minute. You can see the virtual machine is up. Okay, bye.